beautiful kings and queens, it's me, Wini Boansi, in the building. What's popping? If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Gang. I don't even know why I'm so gassed today, but yo, in this video I am going to be showing you how I'm basically going to be doing my apple cider vinegar rinse. Now, apple cider vinegar rinse, oh my gosh, I actually haven't done one in about 2 years, and when I did do it, it was alright. You know, when you do something for the first time, you don't always kind of appreciate the benefits of it. And also, when I did do it, I used a different apple cider vinegar that I'm going to be using today. Today I'm going to be using this one. So this is Bragg apple cider vinegar. It's raw, unfiltered, and it's organic. First time using it. Should I say first time using it? Okay, this came through the post about 2 days ago, so I have kind of used a bit. I like to have something called pom pom baths. Maybe I'll go into that another time, but that's what I basically use this for, and it was hell of awesome. It did the job. But yeah, I'm gonna be using 1/4 of this apple cider vinegar, baking soda, or bicarbonate soda. You know, yeah, because I'm African, I'm so used to my African parents calling it bicarbonate soda, bicarbonate. But anyways, you lot get it. I'm gonna be using baking soda, and then I'm gonna be using half of a lemon also, and then I'm also gonna be using lots of water. Now, the benefits of doing an apple cider vinegar hair rinse is literally, to put it simply, get all the gunk out of your hair. Now, especially with locks, it's very easy for you to have either product buildup, oil buildup, lots of sweat, like dirt, lint, yada. And basically what apple cider vinegar rinses do is remove all of that, because sometimes certain shampoos may not be able to get all up in your locks and remove everything that shouldn't be in there. So literally, this is an awesome way to do the job. Now, like I said, I last did it about 2 years ago. Personally, for me, I'm aiming to do it, I would say, once or twice a year. So now that I'm doing it today, I probably would like to do it maybe in about 6 to 8 months time. But it's not something that I personally want to do on a regular basis, because it can strip and make your hair a little bit dry. So please, when you do this, make sure that you moisturize your hair after. But literally, what I'm gonna do after this is I am gonna wash my hair, do a hot oil treatment, and then I'm gonna give my locks a good retwist, because, you know, I think y'all can kind of see I need it right now.
Righty, so let's get cracking. This is basically my beautiful mix. And here's me, obviously, with my beautiful locks, just relaxing in the mix. Basically, even though I've already stated before at the start of this video, I used 1/4 of apple cider vinegar. I used 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda, and I squeezed half a lemon. I'm not gonna lie, this feels so comfortable, but at the same time, kind of being relaxed felt a little bit awkward because my sink is hella small. Basically, I decided that I would do this for 20 minutes. Oh yes, look at that. It's just penetrating my locks. Oh yes. As you can tell, I felt a little bit uncomfortable staying in the same position all the time, and also I was really adamant about making sure that the mix hits all of my locks. So I did kind of change my position several times. I'm just very eager to see how this mix is now gonna look. Is the color still gonna remain the same? Is there gonna be any difference in color? Are my locks really that dirty? Okay, maybe I should show y'all. Wait, I'm about to, guys. Almost. Wow. Okay, so after 20 whole minutes of my locks soaking in this apple cider vinegar rinse, this is how it looks like. Can you imagine? So here are the results. You can obviously see that the mix has gone at least 2 shades darker. I haven't washed my locks in about a month. So I'm very convinced that this apple cider vinegar rinse was more than worth it, because it really got a lot of stuff out. This is my screen. You can see the mix before I had soaked my locks into it, and right now. That is crazy. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Until my next video, be good.